represent Uganda in the Olympics at the next Olympics in 4 years. And yeah, working my way up every year.
Nenga omanyi ku Luganda?
Not much, no.
What are the names of your dad?
My father, Bernard Katende.
Katende?
Father, yeah.
What are your names too?
My name is Nigel Katende.
Katende?
Yes, sir.
Katende toyina mu Luganda lw'omanyi?
You don't know Luganda. He knows a little, just a little bit. Yeah.
Omanyimu akatono?
Katono. Tell him Katono.
You know little. Speak the little you know.
Oliotia.
Ho, bulungi. Ate okusaba emmere tokamanyi?
How to beg food?
Palaso.
He knows Genda Webake. Because his Jaja used to tell him as he raised him, Nigel, Genda Webake.
Nigel, I know your dad.
Yeah.
He's a good DJ in the United States.
Very good.
He played for us. He's a good one. Man, You are in school?
Yes.
What do you study?
I study psychology.
Psychology. So you're in university?
Yeah.
Had you come to Uganda before?
This is my third time here.
Third time?
Yes.
Hey. So which food do you like here in Uganda?
Everything.
Everything.
I like the
Matoke?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. In US, eat what? Burger?
Burger, pizza, everything.
Pizza,
Wings.
everything.
Yeah.
And you are so brown. Look at your uncle, he's very black.
Yeah, man, this is what the future looks like. Yeah. If this is the past and the future looks like this, we are winning.
Yeah.
Hey,
So you come to Uganda to do what?
To make music, visit family, and just explore.
You gonna sing?
Yeah.
Oh, like him?
Yeah.
Hey. Okay, we pray. How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
20?
Yes.
Hey. Mukulambola.
Like you're growing slowly.
Hey, you are
But
growing
yeah, no,
slowly.
Actually, for me, as a person that saw him like 10 years ago, I think he has grown way too much. Because I left when he was only about, I don't know, like 9, 10, maybe?
Hey.
Yeah, I left when he was really young. But yo, this man is a champion.
Yeah.
Sports, everything, just like his uncles. I told you, this is what champions look like. And we don't look like they look